Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to see some important machine learning questions which are asked in interview. Question number 1. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence which allows a machine to automatically learn from past data without programming explicitly. Question number 2. Types of machine learning. It has total 4 types. First one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, third one is reinforcement learning, and the last one is deep learning. Question number 3. What is supervised learning? Supervised learning uses a training dataset to teach models to yield the desired output. This training dataset includes inputs and correct outputs, which allows a model to learn over time. Regression and classification are the two types of supervised learning. Algorithms used in this type is decision tree algorithm, random forest algorithm, regression, k-nearest neighbor, logistic regression. Question number 4. What is regression? It is a technique which helps in finding the correlation between variables and enables us to predict the output variable based on the one or more predictor variable. Question number 5. What is classification? It is a technique that is used to identify the category of new observations on the basis of training data. Question number 6. What is random forest algorithm? Random forest is a supervised machine learning algorithm that is used widely in classification and regression problems. It builds decision trees on different samples and takes their majority vote for classification and average in case of regression. Random forest algorithm performs better results for classification problems. Question number 7. What is decision tree algorithm? Decision tree is a supervised machine learning algorithm. It is also used for both classification and regression problems. It uses the tree representation to solve the problem in which each leaf node corresponds to a class label and attributes are represented on the internal node of the tree. Basically, it starts with the root node, which expands further branches and constructs a tree-like structure. Question number 8. Compare random forest and decision tree algorithm. Point number 1. Random forest is a group of decision trees combined together to give output, where decision tree is a tree-like decision-making diagram. Point number 2. Random forest prevents overfitting, where in decision tree there is a possibility of overfitting. Point number 3. Random forest is slow to process and decision tree is fast to process. Point number 4. Random forest is complex to visualize, where decision tree is simple to visualize. Point number 5. Random forest gives accurate results, where decision tree gives less accurate results as compared to random forest. Question number 9. What is unsupervised learning? Basically, unsupervised learning works by analyzing uncategorized, unlabeled data and finding hidden structures in it without prior training. Association and clustering are the two types of unsupervised learning. Question number 10. What is reinforcement learning? It works in the absence of training dataset and it is bound to learn from its experience. Positive and negative are the two types of reinforcement learning. Question number 11. What is deep learning? Deep learning structures algorithm in layers to create an artificial neural network that can learn and make intelligent decisions on its own. Question number 12. What is overfitting? Basically, overfitting is an error that occurs in data modeling as a result of a particular function aligning too closely to a minimal set of data points. Question number 13. What is underfitting? It is a scenario in data science where a data model is unable to capture the relationship between the input and output variables accurately. Question number 14. What is artificial intelligence? An artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence used in face detection and recognition, digital assistant, and e-payments. There are three types of artificial intelligence. First one is artificial general intelligence, second is artificial narrow intelligence, and the last one is artificial super intelligence.